Hello there. What's your name?
Ginny.
Ginny. That's a nice name. I'm Dr. Clark. Do you like dolls, Ginny? Do you have any dolls? What? No dolls at all?
Once I had one, she out.
Well, I have some dolls here. Want to see? Come on. I'll show you. Do you want to play a game with dolls? Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions, and you tell me the answers. You ready? Okay. Well, which one is the boy doll? And which one is the girl doll? Good. And which one is the colored doll? And Ginny, I want you to hand me the doll that you'd like to play with.
This one.
Now, give me the nice doll.
This one.
Give me the doll that looks bad. All right. Now, give me the doll that looks most like you.
Like me?
This one looks most like you. Give me the doll that you would rather play with, Eloise. Fine. Now give me the doll that looks bad to you.
Bad?
Well, yes. There's one that you don't like as well because of the way it looks. Eloise. Thank you. Now, which one of the dolls do you think looks most like you? Just show me the doll that looks like you.
I don't want to.
Why?
I want to go home.